today it is midnight and I'm recording. Wow. It's like 10:30 or something. Now, is that a guinea pig? Yeah, this guy's cool. He's actually in real life. I don't have to be surprised about that again. I do the same thing every time I fail. So, I did this is 2 out of 2. I made this 2-part series because, seriously, are you kidding me? You can't be serious. I have to finish this in midnight, multiple videos, and I get a good weekend. Seriously, I can't even finish half of these today, so I need to get a good weekend. Now, like last time, the 2 weeks ago, my weekend was horrible. It was a nightmare. And every time I go to Fatima's house, you know Fatima? Not the guys in the comments when they say, "Are you talking about me?" I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about somebody else, okay? So, understand that Fatima, every time I go to her house, something always bad happens. Like she's bad luck. Or maybe she is. And if you're watching this video, well, Fatima, I'm talking about, then you, I'll say nothing. Who cares? Every time we go there, I lose one of my friends, and I have to apologize for something because I play around with her, like making jokes, and it goes, okay, she's just bad luck. I have no idea why she's bad luck, but she is. And I'm talking about my partner. So my friend says that let's go to Minecraft and pull the server up. Well, I was planning to go to Felix Lair, check out Along Came Spidey's channel, but he wanted
more right-angled cheese triangles, more looking at the camera, art, more unnecessary lettuce people, laser whoops, and explosions. Because at Subway, there's just way more.
That's the thing they were making fun of. When something nice, you know, the commercial, whatever. Yeah, this guy's cool too. Ugh, lady. Girl. Cowboy. This looks like same. It looks like him, but fatter. Okay. So girls skate. Never knew that. Sketchy man. I thought that meant good, and so, what should I talk about? Last video, I talked about Adam and his evil plots. They're not evil. So let's see. And that video is still getting uploaded. I do it right over because I'm hurried. Seriously, this day is so many uploads. Please, why don't you guys comment? Okay, now I'm just asking you to comment. Please comment. For peace sake. I why don't you guys comment? Just tell me. Either you don't know how to comment, I'll tell you. Seriously, it's not that hard to be awesome. Okay. What am I talking about? Awesome, I meant to comment. And I fail. 18 seconds left already? You gotta be kidding me. Just gotta be. And I'm dead. I like the school one because it's awesome. So I think that's all for this time. See you next time. It's only been 6 minutes. Never mind. Let's do. Oh, please, 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 unlock. Picture me. Ooh, it's so cool, gonna be. If only I could unlock that. Just say I only have about 3 more minutes for you guys to save it. And remember last video when my dad came in, and from now on my dad's gonna be the parody of the show. The comedy, and I'm trying. Should I leave in the comment if this should be a comedy or entertainment? But on my side, I don't even know. And why don't you guys comment? Is it because my videos suck? Or I'm trying my best? Why don't you tell me that? Oh, I'm not trying to be hard. Maybe. But seriously, why didn't you guys comment? And I think for a second I got stuck in the game's music. It's just so awesome. I still don't know how they jump on the skateboard. Seriously, how? The only time I saw that is when people skateboard. I don't know how they do that. How? I mean, seriously, how? Come on, you do this! Yep, this is all for this time. I will see you next time. Peace! Brofist. Oh, and so I forgot. So I forgot that you know the Spidey videos. Those are I'm gonna upload them tomorrow. But it's not the upgrade. Not the upgrade. The upgrade's gonna take a long while, as I said. Quote, it's gonna be a really, really long while. I don't have to say it again. I'll explain it in the upgrade video. So, and I already made it. So yeah. Peace, Brofist, double Brofist.